All right, so Alicia, can you tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Of course, I'm a welder fabricator. I'm from Canada. I've been in the trades for 7 years.
Wow. And I've seen you try our Cobot Welder yesterday. So how was your experience with it?
I absolutely love it. My first job, I was a production welder, and I was doing the same weld every single day. So this would make my life a lot more easier if I had a machine that I could just set up, walk away, and it would do the job for me.
And as a CWI, how do you see that tool helping welders in the field?
I think it's great. It's great to have a perfect weld every single time. It saves time, saves money. Yeah, it's perfect.
Excellent. And what do you think about our out-of-the-box mentality with an app, using an app on your smartphone to program a cobot?
I think it's incredible. It's the first time I've ever seen that before. Everyone has a cell phone, so it's perfect to just pull out your phone, program the machine, and walk away.
Excellent. So would you see more of those systems in manufacturing shops around the US and
In Canada, of course. I know a lot of people who would need those. Yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you for having me.